This is identical to one of your proofs that you already were supposed to do from worksheet 3.2.5, so last chapter. Many of you got it wrong. Hopefully this time you're here to get it right. So for this one here, in terms of our options, I don't have any sides at all. Even this isn't considered a side because it's not a number or a ratio to compare. It gives directionality, which gives angles, but not length. So I'm down to AA. I need to state that they're parallel. If I'm going to use this information, that needs to be very clearly stated that this is my starting point. This is what I'm using. Once I state that, I have some options. I can either use angle A equals angle D from alternate interior, or I can use these guys. Since the last time I did this proof for you, I did AD. This time I'm going to go B and E. The reason is parallel gives us alternate interior angles that are congruent to each other. I could use the other alternate interior ones, but I want to show you using these because a lot of you are messing up on this one here. You can't say C equals C because that's confusing. You want to talk about 1 over here equaling 1 over here. So I can say ACB, and I can say DCE, and my reason would be vertical angles are congruent. These are not reflexive, nor is it a reflection. It's actually a rotation, ultimately, we find out. Again, you could have used another set of alternate interior there. I went this way. I'm still going to use AA, triangle similarity, and so will you. We're going to triangle ABC goes with, triangle A goes with D, B goes with E, and C goes with C. Oh, I need to fit in a triangle in here, don't I? Let me do that. There we go. Okay, looking at this one here, there's some information that I can find. I can find this missing piece. Here, the reason why I would care about this is I see that these guys are equal to each other. I got that. But 80 doesn't equal 40. And one side doesn't mean I get to use either of those. So I definitely need to use angles, but I need to find a missing one. So first I'm going to state what I'm starting with, that A and F are equal, because those were both given to be 60. And then I'm going to solve for B. So to solve for B, I'm going to get 80 degrees. That right there I'm allowed to do because triangles equal 180. Anything you do, you need to make sure you have stated clearly the reason why you're allowed to do that. And now, awesome, I can say that angle B is equal to angle E because angle E was 80 to start with. So now I'm using the given and this little guy that I just found out here, which is substitution. So I had two sets of angles, that's all I needed. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle A goes with F, B goes with E, and C goes with D. And I'm using AA similarity to do it.